Welcome to the future of digital asset management with BrandLife. Our platform revolutionizes the way you store and manage all your digital assets in one convenient location. Let's embark on this journey together and get you started on optimizing your digital asset management experience. 1. Finding the perfect plan for your needs is crucial. Tailor your selection based on the size and number of users for your company to ensure a seamless fit. 2. After signing up, it's time to create your profile. This is where you can input essential information about your brand, including your mission, vision, description, core values, and all your social links. We understand the complexity of managing social links, and our storage system ensures easy access when needed. 3. It's time to upload your logos. Centralize all your logos in one location for quick and easy access. Whether they are in PNG or JPEG format, our platform provides the perfect storage solution for all your logo needs. 4. Let's get all your brand colors organized. Keep your digital assets brand guidelines in sync by uploading your brand colors using hex numbers. This ensures consistency and simplifies the process of copying and pasting them when required. 5. Finding your fonts isn't going to be a headache anymore. Upload and categorize your fonts, distinguishing between primary and secondary fonts. This streamlines the accessibility and application of your fonts as needed. BrandLife offers a comprehensive solution for uploading all your digital assets, including social media posts, brand guidelines, commercial MP4 files, audio MP3 files, company document files, templates, proposals, and much more. With BrandLife, you can streamline your digital asset management, access all your resources in one place, and elevate your brand's digital presence. Let's embark on this exciting journey and optimize your digital asset management experience with ease and efficiency. Sign up for BrandLife for free today.